Getting old? Feeling the aches and pains of aging? Youthful vitality is within your grasp. By harnessing the power of Lifewave's patented phototherapy, x39 uses light to elevate a copper peptide, proven to signal the activation of stem cells. That process turns on production of stem cells. The activation of stem cells in our body encourages faster cellular regeneration. The benefits: increased youthful glow, tighter skin, thicker hair, better sleep, increased energy, faster recovery from exercise, and stronger nails, are many. And it couldn't be more simple. Lifewave's stem cell patches use advanced phototherapy light transmission with Lifewave's nanotechnology to deliver potent anti-aging benefits that work underneath the surface of your skin. Go to the link in the description to research the results of this exciting new technology and sign up for your free ebook. Thank you for your valuable time and attention. Please like and subscribe to our video.